What's up everybody? Today we're going to do a tutorial and I'm going to show you how to use a Japanese rice cooker. I'm going to show you the buttons, the settings, we're going to cook some brown rice, and I'm going to show you how to clean your machine. So let's get to it. Keep in mind that Haier is actually a Chinese brand, but whether it's Haier, Toshiba, Tiger, whatever the brand is, if it's designed to be used here in Japan, then you're going to see a lot of similarities between some of the buttons and features. Let's start with the button that's probably the most important on this machine. The button with the red circle here, you'll see on most rice cookers. This says suihang, which means to cook or cook rice. And then over here on the left, this says ko soku suihang. So this part is the same, the suihang is the same. And ko means high, soku means speed. So this is high speed cooking. And here this says hoon. So hoon means to keep warm. So as soon as your rice cooker is done cooking, it's going to keep the rice warm for you. And then here, this says yoyaku. And in this case, yoyaku means timer. And just beneath it, it says hitashi jikan. So I think that's the amount of time before your rice cooker actually starts cooking. And then it says nido oshi. So press twice. So just an example, if I do this, when I press the yoyaku button, this says that my rice cooker is going to start cooking in 10 minutes. So if it's just 10 minutes, if I press twice, it's just going to give me the 10 minutes. And if I wanted to do it for longer, then I can actually adjust with these buttons. And with this rice cooker, I can set my timer to cook up until about a day in advance. And those are all of the main buttons on this particular rice cooker. So the current mode that's highlighted right now says Eco Suihang, which is like an energy saving mode for cooking rice. The next one says Hakumai, which is white rice or polished rice. The next one is Genmai, which is brown rice or unpolished rice. The next one says Buzukimai, almost like a mix between brown rice and white rice. And the next one is Zakkokumai, which is multi-grain rice. The next option says Kare Yo, which is like a curry mode or a curry setting. The next one says Reito Yo. Reito means freezing, and Yo is to use. Freezing mode? And I don't think the rice cooker actually freezes, so I wonder if this is more like defrosting. I'm really not sure there, but I don't use this feature, so if anyone knows, you can let me know in the comments. And the next one says Okayu, and that's for cooking rice porridge. Let's make some brown rice. Step 1, pour as much rice as you feel like eating or serving. Step 2, wash the rice. I know not everyone does this. Oh no! But some people are really big sticklers for this step. Step 3, add water. And I like to add enough water to cover the rice up until about the first digit of my index finger. Step 4, put your bowl of clean submerged rice into the rice cooker. And step 5, close the lid, choose your setting, and press the suihang button. Later. And my rice cooker has Atto highlighted, the number 8, and then the kanji for minutes. So that says Atto happun. So 8 minutes left to cook. And that's it. Your rice is ready to serve. Of course, the main piece to clean is going to be the bowl where the rice sits when you're cooking, but keep in mind that other parts of your rice cooker can also get dirty when the steam from the rice is filtering through your machine, like this metal plate in the top of the lid, and it's simple to remove for easy cleaning. It's also a good idea to clean the filter on the top of your machine if your rice cooker has one. And when you're done cleaning these parts, they're just as easy to snap back into your rice cooker for the next use. Alright gang, that'll do it. Hopefully this video tutorial helped you to better understand how to use your Japanese rice cooker. If it did, please make sure to give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, all those wonderful things. And I'll catch you in the next one.